You wake up one day and feel like the world has moved without you. People are getting promotions, building families, launching businesses, traveling the world, and you're still in the same room, staring at the same screen, wondering when it's going to be your turn. Let me tell you something. You are not behind. You're being forged. There is a silence that surrounds transformation. Growth rarely makes noise. While others post about their wins, real progress happens in the shadows. Late nights, quiet mornings, repeated efforts, constant doubts, endless practice. You're not falling behind, you're being prepared. The reason you feel discomfort isn't because you're lost. It's because your soul knows you're capable of more, and it's frustrated you're not there yet. That tension inside you, that's the forge. That's the heat. It's where swords are made. Everyone wants to be unbreakable, but no one wants to endure the process. Everyone wants discipline, but no one wants the silence, the solitude, the sacrifice. You're in it, right now. Let me remind you, some people are ahead because their path was easier. Some people are louder because they haven't faced resistance yet. Some people seem successful, but they're not fulfilled. Your journey is different. It's slower because it's deeper. You're not being built for applause. You're being built for impact. You're not lazy. You're not incapable. You're not too late. You're being tested. You're being refined. You're being broken on purpose, so you can come back stronger, cleaner, and more real than ever before. Think of metal. Before it becomes a blade, it must go through fire. The impurities must burn away. It has to be pounded, folded, and shaped over and over again. The stronger the weapon, the harder the forging. The deeper the impact, the longer the preparation. This is your season of forging. So stop comparing your chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20. Stop measuring your worth by numbers, followers, timelines. You're not behind. You're just becoming. The pain you feel today is a teacher. It's carving strength into your bones. It's shaping your mindset into steel. Every day you stay consistent, even without results, is a seed in the soil. It doesn't look like much now, but under the surface, roots are growing. You're learning things others are skipping. You're mastering patience. You're building depth. You're creating resilience. And you're doing it without recognition. That is power. That is rare. That is you. It's not glamorous to stay in the gym when you're tired. It's not fun to work on your craft when no one is watching. It's not easy to heal, to grow, to face your trauma, and to keep moving forward. But that's why most people quit. And you're not most people. You are someone who refuses to settle, who refuses to give up, who refuses to be average. You were not made for mediocrity. That's why comfort feels suffocating to you. Deep down, you were made for more, and you will not rest until you reach it. You may not have the recognition now. You may not have the money, the status, the admiration, but you have the hunger, the fire, and the willingness to suffer in silence until it's your time. Let them sleep. Let them doubt you. Let them laugh. You will rise. Don't rush it. The longer it takes, the stronger you become. The world doesn't need more quick success stories. It needs more unshakable people. People who've suffered, who've endured, who've earned every scar. You're not chasing motivation. You're building discipline. You're not waiting for validation. You're creating your own worth. You don't need everyone to see you. You need to see yourself clearly, honestly, and powerfully. You need to trust the process. You need to fall in love with progress, not perfection. Keep showing up. Keep writing. Keep lifting. Keep building. Keep breathing, keep believing, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard, because that's when you're growing. Let them post the highlights. You stay in the shadows. Let them chase trends. You chase mastery. The one who's consistent in silence will be louder in the long run. Because when you finally rise, the world won't be able to ignore you. You're not behind. You're just not done yet. This is your preparation season. And the best part is, when your moment comes, you'll be ready. You won't crumble. You won't fake it. You won't fall. Because you weren't given success. You were forged for it.